Hey, I'm Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, where on October 24th and 25th, over 100 collectible vehicles will be sold by Richmond Auctions in a two-day blur of buying and selling. One of the great examples of what will be sold during that auction will be this 1970 Olds 442 convertible. It's one of 549 cars built in 1970. It's a four-speed car, and it's loaded with options. It has power steering, power brakes, power windows, power door locks, power trunk release, all those things, optional extra equipment, and baked into this car from day one. It's a numbers matching car, fully restored by Thornton Brothers down in Pennsylvania. They do the best work. They're the best of the best when it comes to Olds 442 restorations. Let's pop the hood and have a look. These are the Superstock 1 wheels, which are an option on 442, present and accounted for. And of course, the W25 fiberglass hood, we see it right here with the hold downs here. We pop the hood by pulling this release down here, and the secondary release comes here. And again, fiberglass hood, beautifully rendered. And underneath, there's the mighty 455 Olds big block engine. Cold air system right here, fed by the fiberglass hood scoops right there. And a detail on this is the underside of this hood is steel right here to keep the skin from warping in the sun. But again, the outer side is fiberglass, correctly rendered by Thornton Brothers Restorations. A beautiful restoration right down the T3 guide headlights on all four corners. And T3 stands for tilt down degrees and outboard 3 degrees when you're aligning the headlights. So correct details from stem to stern. Inside, of course, four-speed car, one of only 549 built with the 455 and the 4-speed in 1970. And beautifully restored bucket seats, of course, 4-speed manual transmission, which really makes the difference in a car like this. You got to remember that in the 442 came out in 1964. 442 meant 4-barrel, 4-speed, dual exhaust. But by 1970, it meant 455. 4-speed was an option, and dual exhaust, of course, standard equipment on this. It has a stainless exhaust system on this with the trumpet tips coming out the bumper. And again, a beautiful restoration, power disc brakes up front, and a bid strong. It's one of the best on the breed.